Hello you guys, I hope you guys are all doing great. This is the nail art design we're going to be working on today. The first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to choose 4 colors of your choice. The colors I chose are like a lime green, a pink, a teal color, and a purple. And if you can see there, not one nail is alike the other. They're all different. So you're going to have to use your creativity on this nail art design. But I'm going to show you basically what you need to know. So the first thing you're going to have to start by doing is you're going to start by, you're already wearing your hydrating base coat. The next thing you're going to need is going to be your nail polish of your choice. Like I said, I'll put the names of the colors I'm using in the description box. The first one I'm going to use is going to be this purple one. Okay, what I'm going to do with the purple one, I'm going to simulate a French manicure. And I'm just going to do half of my nail. Okay, so I'm just simulating a French manicure, and I'm going to bring it up halfway. And remember what I said, it's up to you where you want to do your colors. All we're going to do is pretty much we're going to do patches on our nail. So I did a half simulated French manicure. The next color I'm going to choose to use is going to be a pink one. So what I'm going to do with the pink one is I'm going to do the other half of the French manicure using the pink color now. Okay. So I'm just going to fill it in. Okay. But remember, you can decide to do your patches wherever you want. I just want to give you guys the idea of how I got this nail art design done. Okay, so all I'm doing is that. Okay. We're filling in the little patches. But all of them, I didn't do all of them like this, you guys. They're all different. Some of them I decided to do, let me show you there, for example, they're all different. You decide to do your patches however you want. The next color I'm going to get is going to be the teal color. It's a very pretty green, bluish color. So I'm going to apply that one. I'll apply it on this area here and on whatever's left on that side. Okay. And the last color I'll have left to choose will be my lime green color, and I'm going to fill in the rest of it with that. So all I'm going to do with my lime green color, I'm going to fill that in. And remember, you can use your favorite colors. So what we've done pretty much is like patches. We have the lime green, we have the teal, the purple, and the pink. Okay? And if you notice, this one's a little bit deeper than this side, so it's pretty much up to you. If you can get them both the same length, that's fine, because at the end we're going to do the dots you see there on the bottom. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to fix it. If it doesn't bother you and you don't mind overlapping the dots at the end, then that you could stop there. Okay? But I sort of try to do them ending at the same sides. The next thing you're going to do now, if you're not a glitter person, this is where you continue with the next steps and you skip the ones I'm about to mention. For each color I'm using, I'm going to apply a glitter polish on top because I like the shimmers, but if you don't, just skip this part. I'm going to apply the green shimmers or the teal shimmers on my green area. Next, I'm going to apply my pink glitters on my pink area. Okay, so I'm going to apply them very carefully. And remember, when you're doing this, I like to pat the glitters because I noticed that they stick on better when you pat them and not go from top to bottom, but it's personal, I suppose. Okay, so we've applied the pink ones. The next one I'm going to apply is going to be the lime green. So I'm going to pat my lime green on the lime green area, and the last color I'm going to apply is going to be on my purple area. And these are all colors by the glitter polishes are all by Simple Colors, and pretty much all they are is glitter. They're not polishes. They don't have any color to them. All they are is glitter. So when you use these, you have to apply the bottom color just like I did here. So I have my shimmers going on now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my FIMO fruit slices, and as you can see there, the FIMO fruit slices aren't in the same spot, and I'm not using the same one for each nail. So I'll use, for this particular nail, I'll use the grapefruit. Okay, I'm going to get my glopping polish. Any glopping polish or any clear polish will do. And I'll glop this area right there. And I'm going to dip my stick. I'm going to pick my FIMO fruit slice from the middle. That way I have more control over it. That one doesn't want to come. Let me see if I can find them. Okay. Let me see. Let me dip again. Those two are stuck together. They don't want to be separated. So let me get a different one. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. That's a good one. Let me just dip again. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to get it, and I'm going to place it exactly where I put the glop. Now with the fat part of my nail daughter, I'm going to slant one side. Okay, just the one side. And work it all the way around. All the way around, just like you see there. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do, after I've applied the FIMO fruit slices, I'm going to get a rhinestone wheel that has circles. And the circle, I'm going to apply it. I suppose I could apply it to this top area here. I'll apply it to the green area, and I'm going to apply a blue circle. So just the circle, the regular circles. I'm going to place a glop of polish right there. I'm going to dip my stick. I'm going to get the blue circle, and I'm going to place it right there. Okay, so we've placed our blue circle there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a piece of paper, and I'm going to glop white nail polish. And the reason I'm doing this is because we're going to do those little half circles you see there. Okay, just the little half circles. Some of them could be complete, some of them are not going to be so complete. Just whatever fits in your nail art. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to get my white nail polish, and I'm going to glop my piece of paper, and I'm going to get the small part of my nail daughter, and all I'm going to do is that little swerve there. So I'm pretty much going to use this as a pencil. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start going round, round, round. Okay, all the way around. That's all we're doing. So, okay, we're going to go all the way up around like that. And like I said, some nails will take a bigger round, a bigger circle than others. Some won't take so much. Okay, so over here in this section we have room for a small one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a half round, just like that. And you know what I forgot, you guys? Whenever you apply your FIMO fruit slices, and I forgot to do this, I'm so sorry, and I mentioned it in the previous video where I used the FIMOs, you have to remember that whenever you use your FIMO fruit slices, you have to put a coat on top. Because if you don't, I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, they begin to curl up. And you do not want them to curl up. Okay, and with enough so they could stay down. Okay, and so the sides could be full of nail polish, enough for them to stay down. Okay, we're almost done, you guys. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the dots you see on the bottom. So using the size you want of your nail daughter, I'm using the small one. I'm going to start in the middle, placing my dots. And I'm just going to go all the way around, all the way down. Okay, that's all I'm doing. And there. And I can see that because this is such a busy nail art, maybe I can place a couple of them up here. Okay, 2 and 3. And that's how you guys are going to get this nail art done. It's very fun to do. Go ahead and use your imagination. Add little swervies wherever you want swervies. Add dots wherever you want dots. If you don't have the FIMO fruit slices or the circles, you can replace them with nail polish. You can draw fruit, or I mean, that's the fun part about this nail art, that you can do whatever you want with it. I hope you guys liked it. Try it out in your favorite colors and let me know how it works out. Be safe, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.